What's up, people? Hi, how are you? Meanwhile, Eric is installing his propane gas barbecue stuff, so we can barbecue some things around here, enjoying the weather. As you can see, the weather is beautiful, and yeah, we got some meat going on around here, some beers holding in cold, being held cold by some water because we ain't got no ice around here. So yeah, we chilling. Yeah, bro. Check the other video to keep up with this one, because it's coming along. So to give you guys some updates, I just got the drive shaft off, and now I already took out the transmission fluid. I'm now busy with taking the intake off. So nope, intake. The exhaust, I'm taking off the exhaust, gonna pour out the oil, this shaft right here, and then we're gonna start with the motor mounts. But in the meanwhile, we're having some nice meat going on here. Look at that chicken, oh my god. So the axles are out. That one too. We got the transmission roll. We did the exhaust, and now to change the to drip out the oil, and then we can get the motor out. And meanwhile, we're eating some nice stuff, do some barbecue, and having a nice day and enjoying the weather. Yeah, bud. So we just got the motor out. We're gonna change the clutch right now and change the components to that motor. And yeah, we're halfway.